This is not another AI success story. This is about testing Claude AI. Not for fun, not for content, but to make actual money. 10 days, one tool, one chance earned. No ad spend, no team, no hype. In this documentary, I'm breaking down exactly how it happened. The wins, the failures, and every dollar in between. Let's rewind. I started with a simple question. Could Claude AI, a safer, more structured alternative to ChatGPT, actually be monetized? Claude's reputation was solid. It handled long-form better. It remembered context. It didn't hallucinate nearly as much. But what mattered to me wasn't how smart Claude was. It was this. Could I use it to create value that people would pay for? So I mapped out a 10-day experiment. Not just prompts and outputs, a full monetization blueprint. Here's how it worked. Claude generated all my content. Notion stored prompt libraries. Zapier automated everything from email to content repurposing. Systeme.io handled the funnels. Gumroad processed sales. And I tracked every click, every open, every dollar. Let's break it down, day by day. Day 1. I used Claude to write 3 blog posts targeting underserved keywords like AI tools for YouTube creators and automate affiliate blogs with Claude. The goal wasn't SEO perfection. It was proof of speed and quality. Day 2. I asked Claude to rewrite those same posts as email sequences, lead magnets, and downloadable PDFs. I didn't even edit them. Just uploaded to Gumroad and gated them with an email opt-in. Day 3. I opened Systeme.io and built a single opt-in funnel. 1 page, no upsells. Just get the Claude AI monetization blueprint. On the back end, users got access to every prompt Claude wrote for me. And I plugged affiliate links for the tools I actually used. By day 4, I had a complete flywheel. Claude was generating daily content. That content funneled people into lead magnets. The lead magnets sold products. And the products linked to the same tools I used. Day 5, I tested distribution. Posted to Reddit, results were mixed. Shared on Medium, no traction. Sent the emails, 41% open rate, 11% click rate, 5 sales in 24 hours. That's when it clicked. Claude didn't just write, it shipped. Day 6 to 8, I doubled down. I used Claude to write cold DM scripts, outreach messages for LinkedIn, product descriptions, video scripts. I used Claude to create 5 new lead magnets, each targeting a different niche. AI for real estate, AI for Etsy sellers, AI for finance blogs. By day 9, my Gumroad dashboard was at 157. Systeme.io had sent 213 emails. 37 people downloaded the prompt kit. By day 10, I hit 1 to 19. Let's break down the income. $700 came from affiliate commissions, most from Systeme.io and Zapier, tools I use and recommend daily. $350 came from freelance writing jobs I fulfilled using Claude. I sold AI blog posts with human editing on Fiverr. Took me 15 minutes per job. $169 came from digital product sales, prompt packs, templates, downloadable Claude workflows. It wasn't magic, it was process. And that process relied on 5 things. Claude's ability to write high-quality, long-form text 2, automation through Zapier 3, monetized distribution with Systeme.io 4, fast product creation with Gumroad 5, a no-fluff content strategy, create, publish, promote, repeat. But it wasn't all smooth. Here's what failed. I tried to use Claude to mass-generate SEO articles. I published 10 in one night. 0 traffic. Google flagged the content as thin. I created 30 generic AI quotes for Twitter. Not 1 engagement. I submitted raw Claude content to Medium. Rejected for AI detection. Here's the truth. Claude is a scalpel, not a hammer. If you use it with intention, it'll multiply your output. If you use it like a spam machine, it'll destroy your credibility. So how do you actually win with Claude? 3 things. First, build a prompt library. Every niche, every outcome. Don't reinvent the wheel. Second, monetize around Claude. It doesn't have an affiliate program, but every tool you connect to it can be monetized. Third, don't overthink it. Ship. Every day. People wait for perfection. You just need output. Claude gives you that. Now let's talk about what I'd change if I started again. I'd build a single, high-value prompt kit from day 1 and spend all 10 days promoting just that. I'd build my funnel first, not halfway through. I'd skip the SEO spam and go straight to niche communities with value posts and soft CTAs. And I'd record every result from day 1. This blueprint works, but only if you work it. Claude isn't a passive ATM, but it is a force multiplier. If you're a freelancer, Claude will triple your output. If you're a marketer, Claude will speed up your campaigns. If you're building a product, Claude will write your copy, emails, and launch assets in under an hour. But only if you treat it like a partner. So here's your call to action. If you want to build your own Claude monetization stack, I've linked the exact blueprint I used for free. It includes my prompt library, funnel structure, email templates, and tools. All of it. No fluff, just systems. Claude helped me earn 1,009 shines in 10 days. Not because it's magic, but because I stopped asking, can AI make money? And started asking, how can I use AI to deliver real value? The answer was a simple workflow. And now it's yours too. Download the Claude monetization blueprint below. Try it, tweak it, make it your own. And if you found this helpful, subscribe, drop a comment, and let me know which AI tool I should test next. This was real, this was profitable, and it was built with Claude.